Welcome to today's C.R.E lesson. We are looking at the promises which the Israelites made during the renewal of the covenant under Nehemiah. So the first promise that they made is that to live according to God's law. That is, to obey the commandment. Number 2, to cancel debts every 7th year. That is, not to farm every 7th year. Number 3, they would not intermarry with foreigners living in the land. They would contribute to annual temple expenses, meaning that they will ensure that the temple was not neglected. Another promise which the Israelites made during the renewal of the covenant and Nehemiah is to arrange for provision of wood for burnt offering as per the law. They would offer first fruits of the crops, or you can say they would dedicate their firstborns, or even they would offer their first flocks. Number 7, they promised to pay tithe as per the law. And at number 8, to observe the Sabbath. That meant that they were not to do business on the Sabbath. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.